Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how to create database schemas, how to delete them, and some other operations. So, our first step in this process, we shall first use graphical user interface. For example, I'll come here, this tool here, or this icon says create schema in the connected server. So I'll come here and I give my schema a new name. For example, let's say my schema will be called test. For example, test database, test DB. Make sure when you're creating your schema, don't use symbols like this, like that. Sometimes they bring about misbehaviors. If you want to use don't use that. However, it works, but don't use it. Always use underscores or join the names together like that. Yes, so next I will click apply after write my name. Oh, so this is how the database is being created. It says create schema, database, test database. So click apply, finish. So here I'll close after. I should be seeing my database that will empty tables inside. That's a graphical way. Another one, how to create a database. You come here, click, get an editor where I have absolutely type anything. So type a command create schema. I give it a name, my database. But when I terminate, don't forget always to terminate. This will tell SQL that this is the end of the line. So I'll execute. I click here to execute. So this one will execute any code that is under the cursor or any if not selected. If you select it, it will execute only the selected code block, but if not selected, it will execute anything from the cursor below. So I'll run and it will create for me a schema. As you see here, it's not updated. I'll refresh and you'll be seeing my database. Okay. Yeah, so another way to create a database, I'll delete this code here. I will comment on it. So to comment on SQL code, you simply do that. You write -, with some space, means this code will not run. Or I'll create a new SQL file, let's say. Here I used create schema. However, I can come here and I say create. I say create database. It also works the same way, create a database. And then next is database name. I say my test database. But terminate. When I execute, it will run. And when I refresh, I see my test database. Right, so those are some of the ways to create database schemas. The easiest way. Then, if I wanted to delete my database, for example, I will come here, I right click, then stay here, drop schema, confirm, and it will be dropped. See, this is the code that has been run in the background. So this one, Workbench is a code generator. It is generating the code in the background, the code in the background. For you here, you see you are interacting with it, but in the background, it generates the code. So code is much faster and easy to use. Another way, if you don't want to use graphical user interface, for example, if you wanted to delete a database file, this database, you just come here and create an SQL file, say drop database test DB boom. When I run this code, I should my database. As you can see, it's no longer available. So that's how to edit databases and make sure they never come back in your catalog or in your list of schemas. Oh yeah, that's been for now. Thank you for watching. Let's make a video where we're going to look at how to use other for MySQL database.